Days after a Sikh man turban was seen falling off during the Mamta's cops crackdown on BJP's Nabana Chalo march, there has been a massive outrage over this incident across the Sikh community. The latest to express his anger and demand strict action is Akali Dal leader Manjinder Singh Sirsa. He tweeted, and I quote, "Despite my repeated requests to Mamta Banerjee and address the issue of justice for Balwinder Singh, there has been no response from her. So we've requested the Governor Jagdeep Dhankar ji to intervene in this issue. We also have told Calcutta today that we'll be reaching Calcutta at 12:30 p.m. This was the official tweet taken out by Manjinder Singh Sirsa. We also have a bite that we'll play for the benefit of our viewers on that now.
हमारा ये डेलीगेशन दिल्ली सिख गुरुद्वारा मैनेजमेंट कमेटी का अभी कलकत्ता के लिए रवाना हो रहा है। हम लोग वहां जाकर सरदार बलविंदर सिंह जिसकी दस्तार उतारी गई, जो कि पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस से है, रिटायर्ड है, उसके साथ जिस तरह की तशद्दुद की गई, बर्बरता की गई, उसकी दस्तार उतार के उसके केसां से पकड़कर उसको खींचा गया, उसकी बेअदबी की गई कितारों, ये किसी भी सूरत में बर्दाश्त नहीं है। हम बार बार ममता बनर्जी जी से आग्रह कर रहे हैं, बलविंदर सिंह को इंसाफ दो। बजाय उसको इंसाफ देने के उसी को 3 दिन के लिए जेल में बंद कर दिया गया। आज 3 दिन की हवालात में है वो। आज हम वहां जाएंगे, हम कमिश्नर से भी लगातार संपर्क में हैं, लेकिन कोई इंसाफ देने को तैयार नहीं है। हम ममता बनर्जी जी से फिर एक बार आग्रह करते हैं, हम आपके खिलाफ सड़कों पर उतरना नहीं चाहते, हमें मजबूर मत करो। हम वहां जाके गवर्नर साहब से मिलेंगे, हम सब लोगों के दरवाजे खटखटाएंगे, बलविंदर सिंह को जरूर इंसाफ दिलवाएंगे। हम कोर्ट तक भी जाएंगे, लेकिन बलविंदर सिंह के साथ जो हुआ है उसको इंसाफ मिले और उन पुलिस कर्मियों के खिलाफ, दोषियों के खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई हो, ये हम यकीनी बनाएंगे।
That was the bite we just played out for you, where Manjinder Singh Sirsa is condemning the move that took place at Mamta Gandhi's march. Now we've got Piyush on the phone lines with us. Piyush, very important developing is coming in. As you can see on our screens, religious sentiments being completely negated and ignored. And now a tweet has come out, and even in this video, Manjinder Singh Sirsa can be clearly heard saying that he is on his way to Calcutta. What's gaining momentum in this story? Over to you for more.
Well, Agiraj, what we are learning is that the justice for Balwinder Singh is now catching steam. What we are learning is that Manjinder Singh Sirsa is now leading a delegation from Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee, and he is going to Kolkata. He will be reaching Kolkata at around 12:30. And what we are also thinking is that he is all set to raise this issue before Governor of West Bengal, but we have also been told that at around 4 p.m. he will be meeting Governor of West Bengal, Jagdeep Dhankar, where he will be raising this issue. We already know that a massive political controversy had broken out since the time this incident took place. And since then we have seen that how Sikh body had got out and they were demanding action from the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee. But now what we are also learning is that the claims are being made that he has been sent behind the bars. Balwinder Singh has been sent behind the bars for the next 3 days. Looking at that, Manjinder Singh Sirsa is now going to Kolkata. He is now leading this delegation demanding justice for Balwinder Singh. We have also been told is that at around 4 p.m. this meeting will take place, and this delegation will be reaching at around 12:30. We'll have to wait and watch if Mamta Banerjee pulls up her socks and take action in this very case, because it's now going out of the hand, because we know that how law and order has gone for a toss, has completely gone for a toss in the state of West Bengal. We saw that how BJP workers were also brutally attacked when they were taking out rally a couple of days back, and during that incident itself, Balwinder Singh was also attacked. But no actions have been taken yet by the West Bengal government, though West Bengal Kolkata police has come out with another version of this incident. We'll have to wait and watch what happens when the Sirsa meets the Governor of West Bengal, Jagdeep Dhankar, because he's saying that when Mamta Banerjee is not listening to him, he is now going to apprise the Governor about this, and we are hopeful that justice will be brought to Balwinder Singh.
Many thanks, Piyush, for being with us. Now, for the benefit of our viewers, we will play out the bite again, where Manjinder Singh Sirsa from the airport demanding strict action.
हमारा ये डेलीगेशन दिल्ली सिख गुरुद्वारा मैनेजमेंट कमेटी का अभी कलकत्ता के लिए रवाना हो रहा है। हम लोग वहां जाकर सरदार बलविंदर सिंह जिसकी दस्तार उतारी गई, जो कि पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस से है, रिटायर्ड है, उसके साथ जिस तरह की तशद्दुद की गई, बर्बरता की गई, उसकी दस्तार उतार के उसके केसां से पकड़कर उसको खींचा गया, उसकी बेअदबी की गई कितारों, ये किसी भी सूरत में बर्दाश्त नहीं है। हम बार बार ममता बनर्जी जी से आग्रह कर रहे हैं, बलविंदर सिंह को इंसाफ दो। बजाय उसको इंसाफ देने के उसी को 3 दिन के लिए जेल में बंद कर दिया गया। आज 3 दिन की हवालात में है वो। आज हम वहां जाएंगे, हम कमिश्नर से भी लगातार संपर्क में हैं, लेकिन कोई इंसाफ देने को तैयार नहीं है। हम ममता बनर्जी जी से फिर एक बार आग्रह करते हैं, हम आपके खिलाफ सड़कों पर उतरना नहीं चाहते, हमें मजबूर मत करो। हम वहां जाके गवर्नर साहब से मिलेंगे, हम सब लोगों के दरवाजे खटखटाएंगे, बलविंदर सिंह को जरूर इंसाफ दिलवाएंगे। हम कोर्ट तक भी जाएंगे, लेकिन बलविंदर सिंह के साथ जो हुआ है उसको इंसाफ मिले और उन पुलिसकर्मियों के खिलाफ, दोषियों के खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई हो, ये हम यकीनी बनाएंगे।